This is how it looks inside a dishwasher. This is a tabletop or countertop dishwasher you are seeing over here. It has been opened up and you can see two trays. One, an upper tray here. This is an upper tray. You can keep glasses over here. And this is the lower tray. You can keep plates over here. This is the place where you can keep spoons and small things like that. This is for spoons and small things. See that there are small rollers over here. These small rollers over here are meant for easy sliding inside. You can see it goes very